Hi guys, Tiffany here. Today's video is gonna be another tutorial on this look here, which I am digging. I've never gone this intense on my eye. Took a lot of work, but I am really proud of myself. If you guys want to accomplish this look, please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Lately I've been using concealer to prime my lids. I've been liking how the eyeshadow looks on top of it. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the Lime Crime Venus Extra Large palette. And I'm going to start off with the color Idolize, and I'm going to put that as a transitional color. Now I'm going to take that shade Passion, and I'm going to start putting it into the crease. To deepen my crease, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Aphrodite, and I'm going to put it right below that color, but to intensify those colors even more. Now I'm going to go back in with the color Idolize and use it right outside of that color, only to blend everything together. Now I'm going to take that shade Botticelli. I don't know if I'm saying it correct. But I'm going to put that on the outer corners and the inner corners, and I'm going to start creating a halo look. Now I'm going to take a small concealer brush and go back in with the No Filter Concealer and clean up that center area, so that way I can lay out another color and make it look a little more cleaner. And now with the shade Botticelli again, I'm going to go in and clean up everything, blend it together with the concealer so it looks all in one. Now I'm going to take the shade Ethereal, and I'm going to put that where I put the concealer, right in the center. Now I'm going to go back in with Passion and blend that into the crease to blend everything. One more time I went into that color Botticelli to deepen that up even more, and just make sure everything looks together. Now I'm going to take the shade Aphrodite and blend that into my lower lash line. Now back into the shade Botticelli, I'm going to put that really close to the waterline on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. Unfortunately, I forgot what mascara I used. I know it was a sample size. I do believe it was the Clinique mascara, but I will double check and put that below. And yes, for today I'm going to put lashes. I don't know which exact lashes this is, but these are from Ardell because this specific lash book, I keep Ardell products. Alright guys, this completes my look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and thank you for sticking around and watching the full video. If you guys like to see more content like this, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.